If you're learning DevOps in 2025, listen carefully. DevOps without AI is slowly becoming outdated. And that's why many students are struggling to get shortlisted. Earlier, DevOps was about automation. Today, companies want intelligent automation. Manual monitoring is being replaced by AI-based log analysis. Reactive incident handling is being replaced by predictive systems. Traditional pipelines are being optimized using machine learning. If you don't understand the shift, you will fall behind, even with DevOps skills. Top companies use AI to predict failures, auto-resolve incidents, optimize CI/CD, reduce downtime. Happening now. That's why we are conducting a live DevOps with AI workshop designed specifically for students, freshers, working professionals, DevOps, and cloud engineers. This workshop focuses on practical understanding, not theory. In this workshop, you will learn how AI is integrated into modern DevOps pipelines, AI-driven monitoring and log analysis, predictive analytics for infrastructure, how incident response is automated using AI, how DevOps roles are evolving in the AI era, a clear career roadmap for DevOps with AI. Even if you are a beginner, everything is explained step by step. This is not a recorded course. This is a live, interactive workshop. You will see real examples, real workflows, and real industry use cases. You can ask questions and clear your doubts instantly. Seats are limited. Register now for the DevOps with AI workshop. Start upgrading your skills today. DevOps alone won't get you hired in 2025. Learn how AI is changing DevOps live workshop.